everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a challenge video and I'm doing it with my darling friend Ogo. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ogo Okafor in this.
Okay, Ogo's here. I'm gonna leave all of her details and everything down below because we will be doing another challenge on her channel, the Silent Music Challenge, which is also very funny, so make sure you check that out. But on my channel, what we are doing here today, as you can see from the title, is the foundation makeup swap challenge. So we will be swapping makeup. I will be giving Ogo my makeup bag, she will be giving me her makeup bag, and I will be giving her one of my go-to eyeshadow palettes and she will be giving me one of hers. So I'm going to be giving her the Jaclyn Hill palette and Ogo will be giving me the Urban Decay Vice palette. So we're gonna swap that.
Okay.
And I'm also gonna hand her my makeup bag. She's good.
I can't believe you're about to do this right now.
And I have to do a full face of makeup with colors that just
oh my god, tell me this is not a good look.
No, I think you'll be nice. It's a Friday night. It's a Friday today, so paint the town, not my So yeah, okay. Keep on watching, guys. Okay, so we are starting off with foundation, and so I'm using Ogo's Fenty Pro Filter Matte Foundation in the color 410. And
I'm using her NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation in color
Syracuse. Yeah, it's Syracuse, I think. Yes, it's
written here.
It's definitely Syracuse. I know that.
Okay.
It's the only foundation. It does say shake well. So okay.
Here we go.
Oh my god! To be honest, it doesn't look that dark on my skin. I don't know.
Tell me, is this a joke? Tell me, is this a joke? What's Timmy about to do to me? I'm going to. Let me tell you, I'm beautiful to somebody. So, yellow, it doesn't matter if you're black or white.
To be honest, this doesn't look too bad on me. I just look like I have a really bad time. It actually is not too bad.
Oh my god.
I could pass. I could make this work.
Timmy, I feel like I'm the only one doing this challenge right now.
Yeah, I feel like yours is definitely worse than mine. But you know, the problem is also this Fenty foundation, it dries very quickly.
Yeah.
Like, it's not easy to blend.
I'm out here trying to blend well, you know. Oh my god, Timmy, I feel like
I'm about to be like in blackface or something.
Wow, Timmy, wow. I have to actually
I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling this tan color. So I'm not, to be honest, I thought your foundation would be a lot. The foundation doesn't look too dark on me.
Are you actually pumping enough foundation or that? No, I feel like
I really am. Okay, yeah, in real life it's quite trash, I'm not gonna lie.
Are we all blended?
Mm-hmm.
So let's contour.
Alright, so to contour, I'm gonna use Ogo's Pro Conceal HD high definition concealer in dark cocoa.
And I'm using her Fit Me in coconut. I'm so confused. I'm so confused right now. Like, I don't fucking understand what this is doing on my face. Like, right now. Like, is this a joke?
How is my contour lighter?
I'm so Tammy.
That's funny.
Is this a joke? Is this actually your darkest?
Yes, this is actually what I used to contour. This is my darkest shade. That's what I used to contour when I'm even going out clubbing. Like, that's my... Wow, this is... I wonder what this is going to look like on my skin. This is actually a nice color to contour with, this dark brown.
Interesting. But I'm here looking at the colors of beige.
50 shades of
beige. So I pretended and I was like, oh shit, we didn't prime. Yes! I didn't prime because I want to clean this up easily.
Ow. Okay, I'm done.
I think this kind of helped.
I think if you put some Fix Plus on that, you're not gonna look too bad.
Okay.
Concealer time. I am using Ogo's Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream in the color Warm.
And I'm using Temi's NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in medium 2 Ginger. I feel like I'm the one having it really bad. No, I hope they can really see your true face.
Because it looks bad in person. It looks quite bad.
Today I'm doing light makeup. You know, I don't want my skin to be too bright.
To be honest, I could pass for just having been in like Jamaica for like a month. I could be like, yeah, I traveled, I had a really like bad time.
Yeah. Wow, I'm out here really blending. Like, I feel like I'm going to look like all these Instagram girls.
The ones that wear the wrong foundation, right? Oh my god.
Wow, that's really bad.
I think I look cute. You can't tell me nothing.
Yeah. I feel like my makeup is coming together now.
You're really putting in an effort, I commend you. Once I saw this foundation.
Your face is actually orange! Okay, so using Temi's Jackson Hill palette.
What kind of look are you going for?
I'm going for a very subtle look, you know?
Like a nudie look?
Yeah, because my face is...
I'm using Ogo's Urban Decay Vice palette, right? Yeah, Urban Decay Vice. And it's actually a mad palette.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I was looking for one to buy, so maybe I'll buy this one.
Okay, I think I'm going to go bright. I want to distract you all from my face, so...
Should we do 2 bright colors?
Oh my god, you want to do 2 bright colors?
Okay, so we're both gonna do bright colors. I'm gonna do a blue. Are we both doing blue?
Okay, do blue, I'll do green.
Okay, I'm gonna do like a bluish color. She's gonna do like a greenish color. So this should be interesting. So the first color I'm taking...
The names are here.
Oh yeah, of course. I'm gonna take the color called Downfall. It's like a nudie color.
I'm just going to take Twerk. No? Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to start with this color called Hunt. So use as the transition color. Oh my god.
As I must say, Ogo and I have both created looks out of this impromptu eyeshadow session. Right.
Temi actually you proper brought out what I'm going to bake with. Like, I'm not yellow enough.
No, it's okay.
So I'm using her La Mercier powder.
I'm using her MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in medium dark.
That's my secret weapon, Sha. You just literally casted me.
Yeah, you wear it.
I feel like that Fenty has started showing its true color on you.
Yeah, it's gotten darker.
I don't know what the hype was with this. Like, the foundation is amazing, but it oxidizes.
Yeah.
So I have to
The
start.
whole line, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't say it. I did not say nothing.
I said it in my last tutorial. It dries too quickly and it dries too matte. Every time I use it, I have to use MAC Strobe Cream underneath.
Oh. What I do is I use my Prolonged Wear Concealer to mix it to make it matte.
I find the
And
foundation
bright.
too matte.
You think so? It's really dewy on my skin and I have normal skin.
Too matte to the point that when I it looks so dry.
Really?
Okay, you took my powder.
Just
After
a
we
little
live in
now.
Nigeria, something
Just-
that's already finished. Wow.
You have a little bit, 2 more items.
Anyway, 10 years in South Africa. Thanks, babe.
Two more outings. Okay, so I'm using Tammy's NYX matte bronzer and deep tan. Right, deep tan.
And I am using her CoverGirl Queen Collection Natural Hue Bronzer in Ebony Bronze. This is actually quite dark.
I feel like I'm reaching, trying to make this thing work, but it's not working.
I look so fucking orange.
Oh my god.
It's the look.
Oh my god, Timmy, how many times did I call your name?
It's the look.
Okay.
Oh, you look good. You look pretty.
No, I don't.
You look pretty.
No, I don't. Okay, so what are we moving into now?
Highlighter.
Anything that makes me glow right now is not my friend.
Glow for the gods.
So I'm using Tammy's Sephora Golden R.
It's in the color Dawn, I think. But it's cracked, so we had a bit of a malfunction.
Golden R. Okay, let's go now.
And I'm using Ogo's Max Skin Finishing Gold Deposit. I actually have this and I use it sometimes.
Really?
So I don't think this is going to be that horrible on me. But I'm not sure if all this glue I have is also from my highlighter. It's a very matte highlighter.
Is it?
Yes. They have darker shades as well.
Okay, Tammy, I can't see that right now because I'm already glowing, okay?
Okay.
For the gods. Oh, see those cheekbones. Light skinned girl with the cheekbones. Like light skin from here.
This gold deposit is actually quite good.
You like it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I never knew it shows up on like lighter people.
Give me a run for my money.
That means we're going to have to do another introduction after we clean our makeup to say we are doing the 5 minutes makeup challenge. Instead. This thing is basically telling everybody she has beards. I'm using
lipstick time.
her lipstick in Please Me.
That's MAC, and I'm using her Rimmel London 107 Lasting Finish by Kate lipstick. Okay.
Is this a motherfucking joke?
You have to wear it properly.
Oh my god, is this a joke?
Wow, sexy.
Oh my god.
I'm sexy. I'm cute.
I feel like this is how Bobrisky actually does his everyday makeup.
Yes. Like, girl.
Oh
I
my.
think we are a couple of cutie pies. You actually don't look bad.
Timmy, I look so bad.
You don't look bad, you know, like you actually don't. Like the color is a bit off, but your makeup looks good. Gonna spray ourselves with some finishing spray. She's really mad. I can tell she's just like the.
What the fuck is this shit?
So I hope you've enjoyed the video. You've enjoyed me getting a little bit more tan. You've enjoyed Ogo bleaching.
Live bleaching, yo.
Live bleaching. Reversible bleaching, let's just say. We've enjoyed filming this video for you guys. So we're just gonna...
Should we do the slow motion?
You know, we're just gonna take some pics and enjoy, and we will see you in our next video, which will be on Ogo's channel sometime soon. But the link will be down below when it's been filmed and all of that good stuff. So Bye.
I brought an ounce that I can burn down. Bad bitch and I got her down. Call up your friend.